Alright guys, so we're out here in Marietta, Georgia. It's Saturday. We're going to a show that our boy Peter, Peter67, y'all can follow him on Instagram. He's got a sick ass Ram, but he's hosting a show. So it's just right now, today it's just me, Lee, and Drew. Yeah, we out here, we're gonna show some love. And y'all stay tuned for what we got to come today. Wow, some more bitch. Damn, son. Shit. That shit hard. Alright, man, so we in Columbia, South Carolina, man. Linking up with my boy Demetrius. He's been a long time subscriber, man. Got this sick ass GMC Denali. My first Denali inspired this one. And he's been keeping in touch with me, just, you know, getting advice on what to do and looking for the quality parts and shit. But if you don't know, this is a 2014 Denali with a 6.2 liter. Is it right? 6.2? So he's got the Morimotos headlights, man. They badass. How they do at night?
They do real good at night. I just got I got an angling right because one side is
higher.
Yeah.
So yeah, and he got the Morimotos fog lights, and you don't see too many buying them. I definitely recommend it. She's blacked out grill, aftermarket everything, boost auto mirrors. Shit look good. He is getting it mounted. He's got the boiler dual exhaust. Oh shit, I didn't even see the headlights. These are the Recons. Man, I like these better than mine.
You do?
Yeah, well, cause the reason, like the I want one with a light pod in it.
You put me on there right there, the last fit.
Yeah,
you put
man,
me
they
on
fire. Shout out to Last Fit Auto Lighting, man. They one of my first sponsors ever. Bright LEDs. It's got the Recon third brake light. We're getting it done right. Damn, I like that. I hate Chevy. They is a straight line, man.
Yeah, I hate that too. That's why I'm kind of glad I stayed with this model, because you know on the newer models
it's straight across. Yeah. Oh shit.
Yeah.
On a 14 Denali. So let me tell y'all what he did. So on the 14 Denalis, the 14 and 15, the factory camera doesn't give you night vision and everything. So what he did was replace it with the 18 and up camera. So it gives them that. The head units allow them to actually just push up a button to see what the camera is, man. That's just dope. Yeah.
You got 3 different angles that you can go into.
Oh yeah? But yeah, y'all stay tuned for this truck. As soon as it get mounted, I'm be up here. Y'all can see what this thing gonna look like. It's gonna go on an 8-inch lift, 26s, you know how we do. But y'all stay tuned. Wow, come on, bitch. So pretty much every show we go to, we gotta set up a tent. It's just hot, especially down here in the south. It's just real hot. I'm sure the West Coast is hot too, but if we can, we're gonna pull a tent. Now we're just chilling. We've been here a couple hours. We're just waiting on the trophies. Supposedly there's word that each one of us got something, so we'll see. Bye-bye. Alright, and later tonight, once we get out of here, we got a meeting tonight. It's the second one for the year. I try to do meetings not every month, but every 2 months. We missed one already just because of time frame, work, or whatever. It was just hard to get everybody together. And I've been working out of town a lot, so tonight we got an official meeting tonight. So hopefully that goes well. We got some stuff that we're gonna go over, recap and expansion and stuff like that. So y'all stay tuned. Ow, some of the bitch.
There's the whole setup.
What up, Drew? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nothing but them pranks hanging on my paper taste. MTV's breaking news, Lil Bean beat his pace. I ride guy base, take a line for you cakes. To get a meal ticket, how many mics will I break?
Then my boy Grim. Y'all don't know, man. Been family for a long time. That's his whip right there. You wanna go over what you got on the bill?
Daughter's crying.
Okay, baby's crying. So baby crying, he gotta go. What's the name of your club, bro?
Chicano Dreams. Black right there.
Chicano Dreams.
My car, bitch, please.
This family right here. Yes, sir.
Got Drew walking up over here. Kickback legends.
Yo, man.
All right, para el próximo.
Yes, sir.
Go.
Yes, sir.
Woo! Yeah.
President walking through. First one, first for the career. Yes, sir. Oh, y'all see it. Wow. Someone a bitch.
David!
Yeah, first one. What he gonna do? What he gonna do? How you feel, Uzi? He gonna cry? Man, so proud of you, man. You worked so hard.
I'm serious.
Yeah, we all came home with something today.
What's it called? Yeah.
Alright, so welcome back. I know I've been trying to push meetings like every 2 months. I think we had our last meeting in January, which was really good. And this is Matt. If you haven't met him, this is Matt. He's our newest member. He's got the Colorado.
Hey, that's it.
I'm going on a trip the week after.
And then the next meeting will be at Drew's house. We're going to have a pool
Getting a, I mean, whatever you feel, man.